So if you know how to hold your recorder and you know how to get a good sound, we're ready for our first note, which is going to be B. And you should know that B is the third line of our music staff. Third line from the bottom, it's the line right in the middle of the music staff. So anytime you see this note when we're reading music, you're going to put your fingers for B on the recorder, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. So to play B on your recorder, you want to find your left hand, give yourself a thumbs up with your left hand, and you're going to actually turn that thumb sideways and use it to cover the hole on the back of the recorder. The back of the recorder is a place where there's just one hole. So take that left thumb, cover the hole completely, then flip your recorder around to the front. You're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to put it right over the first hole on the recorder, just like that. So right now we've got our thumb on the back, our pointer finger on the front, and remember your right hand can just hold your recorder down at the bottom for right now. So if you play B correctly, it should sound like this. Go ahead and try yours out and see if it sounds the same. If it doesn't sound the same, you need to make sure that your hole is completely covered, that you're pushing down hard enough, and that you're not using too much air. Remember, even if my holes are covered, if I put too much air into my recorder, it's going to sound like this. And that's not the type of sound that we want. So we just need the tiniest bit of air to make B. Okay, so try to be my echo. I'll go first, you go second, and see if you can play some Bs after me. So if you feel comfortable with B, go ahead and move on to the next video, which is learning how to play A. Or if your B isn't sounding quite right yet, go back and try to fix your mistakes and watch this video a second time.